how to use Zelle with Citizens Bank. Most people mess this up by doing the setup in a rush, then realizing later that payments are landing in the wrong place or that the recipient isn't showing up the way they expected. With Citizens Bank, the smooth approach is keeping everything inside the bank flow because Zelle works best when it stays connected to one clear account and one clear contact identity. There's one key detail that decides whether this feels effortless or annoying. I'll save it for the end because it's the step people skip. What this actually means: Zelle is a person-to-person payment network that many banks support directly inside their apps. When Citizens Bank supports Zelle for your account, you typically enroll and send money through Citizens' online banking or mobile app, not through a separate Zelle wallet experience. That matters because the money moves through your bank account, and your Zelle profile is tied to a specific email or US mobile number. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Enrolling in Zelle through Citizens Bank. Open the Citizens Bank mobile app or online banking and find the Zelle option in the payments area. Then you'll enroll by choosing the account you want Zelle connected to and selecting an email or US mobile number as your contact. That contact becomes your Zelle identity, meaning it's what other people will use to send you money. Once you confirm and complete enrollment, your setup is ready. After that, sending and receiving is mostly about choosing the right recipient and double-checking details. Sending money the safe way. To send, you choose a recipient, enter the amount, and confirm. The key is verifying the recipient's contact info and making sure you're selecting the correct person. If it's a new recipient, it's smart to start with a small test amount when possible, so you don't learn the system with a stressful transfer. Also confirm which citizen's account the payment will come from, especially if you have more than one. That's an easy place to make a mistake without noticing. Zelle works best for people you know and trust. If someone is pressuring you to send money urgently, pause and verify first. Receiving money without confusion. Receiving is simple when your identity is stable. If someone sends to the email or phone number you enrolled, the money should route into your linked Citizens account. If someone says they sent money but you don't see it, the first check is not where is the transfer, it's which email or number did they send to and whether that contact is enrolled somewhere else. Many headaches come from using different emails across different banks. Consistency makes receiving boring, and boring is good. Common mistakes that cause delays. The biggest mistake is enrolling the same email or phone number with multiple banks. That can create confusion about which bank should receive incoming payments. Another mistake is mixing personal transfers with payments from strangers. Zelle is designed for trusted contacts, and it's safer to avoid using it like a checkout method. A third mistake is assuming every payment is instant every time. It often is, but timing can vary depending on verification steps and the recipient's enrollment. If you need something to arrive quickly, confirm the recipient is fully enrolled before you press send. Closing the loop, the one key detail. Here's the detail I promised. Choose one email or US mobile number as your Zelle ID and keep it exclusive to Citizens Bank unless you have a specific reason to change it. That single decision prevents most missing payment confusion and makes your setup predictable. Once your identity is stable, using Zelle with Citizens Bank is straightforward. Enroll in the Citizens app, send and receive through the bank interface, and double-check recipients every time. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.